translation of the meaning of the Quran is by far not equivalent to reading the Arabic text, because the Arabic is the actual word of Allah Azza wa Jal. So even if you do not understand it, you are reciting, you are reading Allah's words. While when you read the translation of the meaning of it, you're not reading Allah's words, you're reading the translation, which not necessarily is 100% accurate. Therefore, my advice would be to have a win-win situation, and that is you try your level best to read as much as possible of the Arabic text to worship Allah, and simultaneously read the English translation of it so that you would understand what Allah wants of you. And even if you don't finish one juz' per day, this is not a must, it's a recommendation, and it's highly recommended. Salah itself, there isn't any particular, in the fard itself, for Fajr, Maghrib and Isha, there isn't a particular sunnah. The sunnah in Fajr is to prolong the prayer. So sometimes in Fajr of Jumu'ah, for example, every single Friday in Fajr, the Prophet used to recite Surah Alif Lam Mim As-Sajdah, and the second rak'ah, Surah Al-Insan, Hal Ata Ala Al-Insani Hinun Min Ad-Dahr. Every single Fajr. In Maghrib prayers, the Prophet used to recite sometimes At-Tur, sometimes Al-A'raf, which is one of the long 7 surahs of the Quran, and the vast majority would recite short surahs. In Al-Isha, the Prophet ordered Mu'adh ibn Jabal to shorten it and to recite with Sabbih Isma Rabbika Al-A'la and the short surahs with Tini wa Zaytun and the likes. This is the sunnah for the fard prayer. So there isn't any specific surah that one should recite as an imam.